About the other side of the ledger here. Section 4, total cost of ownership.
Because when you really frame the comparison, it stops being this ideological debate and just becomes pure arithmetic. On one side, you have renting, the API route. You get zero operational burden, you always have the latest frontier model, but you have this endless, ticking per token cost. On the flip side, owning local hardware means zero variable costs, but you're hit with upfront capital expenditure and a seriously heavy operational burden. It really boils down to renting capability by the SIP versus buying and babysitting your own incredibly complex machine.
And let's talk about what babysitting actually means, okay? Because these hidden burdens of ownership are definitely not rounding errors. First, sustained inference draws real power. That is a hefty monthly electricity bill. Second, depreciation. Your shiny, cutting-edge hardware, it's going to look ordinary in 18 months and completely ancient in 36. Then, you've got to manage the quantizations, the model updates, and here is the really painful one, you have to fix the server when it inevitably breaks at 2 a.m., right? An API provider handles that while you're sleeping. Plus, let's face it, you're always going to be one frontier release behind. So if your volume is low, or you absolutely need the bleeding edge on every single prompt, renting the API easily wins. Those hidden costs add up super fast.
So, taking all of that into account, when exactly does owning outright actually beat the API meter? Let's look at Section 5, the crossover point. Here is how